Ladies and gentlemen, may I have your attention? The presentation is about to begin. Honorable Miss Hannah, classmates, and distinguished participants, ladies, good afternoon. Today we will witness a debate about gusto o happy ka, particularly on legalizing marijuana in our country. Let me introduce to you the participants. The participants from Pro Side, Ms. Mika Roque and Trisha Laksamana. From Anti-Side, Ms. Rian Dasigan and Kisha Yunis Tamor. I'm Ronald Solomon, your Judge 1, together with Judge number 2, Ms. Laverne Panilga, and Judge number 3, Sheila Marie May Tating. Each one of you have 1 minute to explain and to defend your side.
More than 20 states have legalized medical marijuana. California is the first state to legalize the use of marijuana. I think that the Philippines should also legalize the use of marijuana, for it could help the cancer patients. It slows and stops cancer cells from spreading, especially those who suffer from poverty and can't afford to undergo chemotherapy and buy expensive medicines. We all know that Filipinos suffer from poverty, and by the use of marijuana, I think it could help to lessen the expenses. Marijuana is not only effective in cancer, but also in other diseases like lupus, arthritis, Alzheimer's, hepatitis C, epilepsy, and others. Many Filipinos die early because they don't have enough money to treat their diseases.
1 minute working time for Anti.
You said that marijuana is good for the health of the people because in the scientific view, it is a medicine. You're being selfish in the situation. You're only looking to the positive side. When we are making a law, we should be fair to the both sides. Be fair to the people who will be affected. The negative side of it is the negative effect to the youth. We all know that the reality is the teenagers and also the other adults who is using it but not with a good purpose. Why we should legalize it if the youth will be the one who will suffer? Let's all be practical. We all know that the government can control the Filipinos. Then the Filipinos will be more addicted in using marijuana. And that is not good because drug addiction has been one of the major problems in our country. Lastly, the rate in crimes increased because of the problem. And because of that, I disagree with what you said.
1 minute working time for Pro number 2.
here in our economic status. It will give job opportunities to our farmers, which could help them improve their living, and that could make the percentage of the poverty here in our country be lessened. And also, marijuana could cure illness that costs too much, which it could bring large amount of money. So
1 minute working time for anti-2.
I disagree with that because if you legalize using marijuana in our country, many people will be abusing it. If now many people are already addicted in using it, what more if you legalize it? Many people will already be addicted to it. Let's not only look on the positive effect of it. Let us look on the both effect it will cause us. The numbers of people who are addicted will increase. Many people or youth will die or will have a problem with their health. What will happen to our country? It will destroy us all.
1 minute work time for all judges. After hearing both sides, I've decided to agree with antis. Because for me, they explain their sides clearly, and nowadays we don't know what will be the result if we legalize the marijuana in our country. Some people using it not for curing, but they are using it to forget problems, which is not good because they became addicted to it. Wait lang. Judge number 2.
After hearing both sides, I've decided to agree with the antis. Because I think that the marijuana, or what we call Mary Jane, is bad and dangerous to our health. I know that it is I know that it is a cure in disease, but if we're going to look around our country, many of the teenagers using it and they become addicted with it. Some of them are using it in a bad way. The youth will suffer if we legalize marijuana in our country. Today, teenagers use marijuana to beat their depression, but we all know that using marijuana will destroy us and our lives.
Judge number 3.
Now, we all witness the debate about legalizing the use of marijuana here in the Philippines. And I've decided not to agree with the ANTA. Because as you can see, the use of marijuana is very helpful, especially to the people who has cancer, lupus, and epilepsy, because those diseases has no cure. My mom was diagnosed lupus 7 years ago, and when I discovered that lupus can help her to cure lupus, it gave me hope, especially to my mom, and I know all the people that has cancer, lupus, or epilepsy had the chance to live longer and continue their life. While in our economy, it would help our economic status increase, and it could give job opportunities to our farmers.
Closing, Judge number 2.
The debate is finally over.
We, the judges, agreed that the winner of this debate is the antis, because they defend and justify their sides correctly and faithfully. Congratulations, Anti-Keisha, Keisha Tamor, and Brian Dacia, for winning this debate. That's all. Good afternoon and thank you. But,
Thank you for the participants for participating in our activity, and hope you enjoyed the project. Thank you.